Good morning, CMS. Today is Wednesday, September 23rd. All right, what we're going to do right now is we are going to be standing for the Pledge of Allegiance. So make sure we stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. And here we go. Just a moment. And we're going to be standing for the Pledge of Allegiance right now. I pledge allegiance to the flag, to the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, everybody. Today's menu is spaghetti with meatballs and marinara, mini garlic breadsticks, celery sticks, strawberry cup, and fresh fruit. That's choice A. Now, if you want to go with choice B, it's chef salad with turkey ham, shredded cheese, and eggs. Thursday's menu. Choice A is turkey gravy over mashed potatoes with roll, cucumber and tomatoes, diced pears, and fresh fruit. Choice B is French bread pizza. Now, for breakfast on Thursday, you have Pop-Tart with cheese sticks, strawberry cup, and milk. Now, with that being said, please make sure you're using those forms and sending those in to the cafeteria. It's extremely important that you do that. I say that because the lunch ladies are running out of meals for the 7th grade students. All right. Now, we have CMS Picture Day for 2020 to 2021 school year, and that's going to be taking place Friday, October 9th for all students. In-person students will have their pictures taken during the school day. We'll have those for you probably starting off in the morning. Now, for the online students, those of you who are listening, online students, you are invited to the building between the hours of 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. to take your pictures. Our online students will sign up for a time using the Sign Up Genius located on Mr. Madigan's blog page under CMS Picture Information. For more information, please see Mr. Madigan's blog page. Now, staff, don't forget to sign up in Google for your flu shot. The registration forms are due this Friday to Nurse Dawn. So please make sure you sign up for that flu shot and get your flu shot. Now, 7th grade students, please turn in your shot records to the nurse. You are required to have a Tdap and meningitis vaccine in 7th grade. Now, the CMS PTO is selling class t-shirts and spiritware. Please visit Mr. Madigan's blog for the link to the online order form. Ends on September 25th, so get your order. That's September 25th is this Friday, so it ends this week. So this Friday, that'll be it for ordering your spiritware t-shirt. Now, orders will be received 4 to 6 weeks after the close of the fundraiser. Now, students, remember you need to submit a breakfast lunch form. I know I mentioned this earlier, but I wanted to stress it then, and I'm stressing it now. Please do that before 8 a.m. today. I know there's a lot of 6th grade students that are actually signing up in the afternoon, around 2:15. So they're doing it the day before. So please, this is going to help keep running, because what happens is we keep running out of prep food and need to make more food, which means the 7th graders, unfortunately 7th graders, you are waiting for them to cook more. I actually walked down the steps yesterday, and that's what I saw. I was that's a bummer. All right? It's unfortunate. Okay? Now, with that being said, this is the right and wrong way to wear a mask. We got the visual up there for you to see. As you can see, the green check mark means this is how you should be wearing your mask. You got the X on the middle and an X on the other. Those are not ways to wear a mask. I'm not going to name any students, but I've got a couple of those. Now, the protocols to promote a germ-free environment. First off, you want to soap and water at least 20 seconds. Hand sanitize, appropriately cover coughs and sneezes, like I said, in your shirt, in your arm. That's how you want to do it. You don't want to sneeze in somebody's face. That's disgusting. Emphasize not sharing food or water bottles. Please don't share food or water bottles. That's not a good idea. Now, we've got today's 6th grade shout out goes to Rylan Samowski. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Now, the 7th grade shout out goes to Kiera Hosington. 8th grade shout out goes to Sage Folke. And the teacher shout out goes to Mr. I Can Sing Really Well, Tim. Congratulations on the shout outs. Now, on the bulletin board, remember that September 25th, CMS PTO Spirit Orders are due for those t-shirts. You also, on October 9th, which was mentioned, you have CMS Picture Day. Now, the quote of the day. Here is the quote of the day. Don't spread germs. Please wash those hands. Here at CMS, we are respectful, we are responsible, and safe every day. All right, that's it, Cloverleaf. Have a blessed day.